Let me show you the touch controls on the Lenovo LP40 earphones. So actually, when you check the manual, it says that you need to touch some buttons to control it, but the manual is basically very bad. So there is no button basically on this newer model. There is only this area that you need to touch. So as you see on this side, you have it like kind of indent basically, so like a flat surface. And this is basically that surface that you need to click in several ways to control them. Also in the manual itself there is actually good instructions and basically what we can actually do. So basically to turn them on we simply have to like hold them for 2 seconds. To turn them off we have to like hold them again for like 3 seconds. But you see it mentions MF button, so it's kind of weird basically why it mentions that, because there's no button. Then also basically we can basically see the instructions for the play music over here, so feel free to pause. So as you can see, you can go to the next track and previous track by short pressing for like 3 times on the this like left earbud basically, and next track on the like right earbud. So you need to figure out which one is actually right and left. By the way, again on these earphones there is no markings which one is right and left. That is completely ridiculous why they haven't put that in. So simply put them in your ear and figure out which one is the left and right basically. And here basically we have instructions for the calls as well, so you can actually answer calls on them as well, and also ask the voice assistant over here. Okay, so inside the box you will actually find this manual. So I'm just showing you, maybe you have thrown it out or have lost it somewhere. So again, we simply have to touch this part in several ways. So if you want to like pause a track, simply like click once, and if you want to resume it, again we simply have to like click like once again to resume it. To go to the next track, simply click, and again the previous, again click on that other earbud. So really, yeah, you actually need to learn kind of how to control them. By the way, overall actually I would say these controls are actually like not very good actually. For example, to control the volume it's like pretty much impossible. Still I haven't actually like figured out how to even control the volume. So when I click in that way, basically the volume changes only like a tiny bit, but yeah, there's like no way how you can like super fast increase or decrease volume on these. So, and also the touch controls are like overly sensitive as well, so, and they touch all the time by like accident as well. And yeah, overall I actually do not like these touch controls on these AirPods. They're actually really bad. So the sound quality is probably acceptable for the price and everything else as well. Good build quality, but this touch control is actually very terrible on this one. So if you are basically having some problems, basically you're not alone. The touch controls really suck on these. So yeah. Also, by the way, if you are actually looking to purchase these, I will actually leave a link in the description where I actually got mine, as you actually need to be very careful when you purchase these, as there are actually a lot of fakes online as well. So as you see, the price even on this listing is also actually pretty good. Anyway, good luck.